So Pepecoin is down 13% in the last 2 days here, guys. So we need to talk about what's happening here with Pepecoin. Why did it crash? And what can we expect here in the future from Pepecoin now after we've seen it now breaking this major support as we can see here now. So this is exactly what we're going to talk about here in this video. I'll share with you guys my opinion, what I think is happening here with Pepecoin and what's likely to happen here in the future for Pepecoin. So with no further ado, let's get into it. Guys, first of all, it should give you just an idea of what's going on here in the whole crypto space in general. This is the total tree index, which is the total market cap of all the cryptocurrencies excluding BTC and ETH. So all of the altcoins here without BTC and ETH. Now we can see that recently, the last 2 days, all the altcoins have seen a dump here, as we can see a two red daily candle. So now you might ask me what's actually happening. I don't know if you've seen it yet or not, but now there is a whole talk about FTX is expected to receive approval to liquidate the following assets on September 13th. Now this is what's going on right now here. This tweet here went viral and got 1.3 million views, and this got published on the 9th of September, which is basically what started this whole thing, which was 2 days ago, which was right at the moment Pepecoin here started dumping and most of the altcoins here started as well dumping. So people are still carrying this trauma from FTX and still are afraid that the FTX story is not over yet, and it's affecting the whole crypto space. Even though now we can see FTX is mainly holding Solana, FTT, BTC, ETH, Aptos, Doge, Matic, Bitcoin, and XRP. Now those are their holdings right now. Even though they can't sell at a market order, they can't liquidate it all at once. Now they need some time to liquidate all these coins, and as you can see, it has nothing to do with Pepecoin. Pepecoin is not even listed anywhere on this list. Pepecoin is really far away from what's happening here with FTX, but still it got affected. Now a lot of people now are saying Pepecoin is dumping because of this or because of that, but simply the whole crypto space is dumping right now, and Pepecoin did not find those favorable conditions to actually hold the support, and we all needed a favorable condition to hold the support and to actually bring back the price higher, which was my plan if you've been following me here on my channel. So basically this was the plan, is that we wanted Pepecoin here to hold the support and get back in, but unfortunately now we got this news here that FTX is apparently going to liquidate their assets, or possibly they could. This is still speculation and nothing is sure, but as we can see now, the market is really bearish and people are really responding negatively with this news. Still, the FTX trauma is not over yet, and as we can see now, the whole crypto space, excluding BTC and ETH, is dumping. Now, it's mainly like large accounts, large wallets are selling because of the fraud that we've seen here, and people are just wanting to get some cash on the side, maybe buy the dips later on. So basically, people that sold here, or the whales or the large wallets that sold here, are probably expecting lower and getting even more Pepecoin lower, and then waiting for the bull market. Now, the point here is it is still hard to see where is the next target here for Pepecoin, where it's gonna stop. Now I probably think we're gonna range for a while here. Now other than that, if the whole crypto space dumps and we go revisit these lows here, as you can see on the total tree, if we go back here to revisit these lows, which might take some time. Now the next target here would be like, as we can see now, we have a long space, nothing is here. Now this would possibly be a new range here for Pepecoin to range somewhere here. Now the point is, it's still too early right now to see what's really gonna happen here. We need some bottom to start forming here on Pepecoin to actually see what's gonna happen here next. Now so far we're still seeing this slow bleed on the daily, nothing crazy so far, as we can see, compared to what's happening in the whole crypto space. And the thing that could actually here trigger a price reversal or a squeeze is what we call a short squeeze. Now this is perfect right now here to bait some short traders, to start getting traders to want to short this dump here, which is perfect. We can see here the funding rate is going negative and it's still slowly increasing on Pepecoin, as we can see now here. It's negative 0.036%, which means now we have a lot of shorts, and as well on Bybit is 0.05%. Now this is good, as whenever the funding rates go negative or go on that high negative, as we can see here the BLZ. Now if we go to the BLZ chart, if we can see now here, BLZ, the funding is negative 2.5%, which is really huge. This means that a lot of shorts are in the market, and it means that usually the price squeezes up. And now we can look at the BLZ USDT chart on the daily, and while the whole crypto space is down, the BLZ is up 180%. Now this is what a short squeeze can do. Now this is what I want to see here happening on Pepecoin from a trading standpoint. Now if this starts to happen, now we're gonna start to see Pepecoin decoupling slowly from its spot trading and becoming more a derivatives trading market, where derivatives traders are the one driving the price. Now it won't be anymore about who is buying and who is selling, but it's gonna be more about who is shorting and who is longing. And now exactly the conditions we're having right now are perfect for a short squeeze. We can see now the negative funding on Pepecoin is minus 0.037%. As you can see now, while I'm recording here, it's still increasing, and from this morning it's already increased by 0.01%, which is huge. Now it's slowly increasing, which means a lot of shorts right now are here opening at these lows, and we want them to keep doing that. We want shorts to keep opening, and then as soon as we squeeze all these short, once they close, they become forced buyers and their contracts needs to buy Pepecoin back. Now anyways, to simplify it, now as soon as we get a simple pump up or a simple bullish news or whatever Pepecoin does, we're gonna get a short squeeze that's gonna rise the price higher, the same as we can see here with BLZ. Now the funding rate is crazy high, is negative 2.5%, and Pepecoin is slowly, gradually going there. So we wanted to keep going. You want to keep an eye on this funding rate on Pepecoin on derivative. This would be our trigger that we can see short squeezes happening, and this would actually be enough to bring us back above the support, which we really need right now. We need Pepecoin to get back above the support to bring back this confidence back into the buyers, especially on the spot market, and this would be it for Pepecoin again to get back in the support. This is what I want to see right now here on Pepecoin. So I hope, guys, this is clear now. It's giving you a clear idea of what's going on here with Pepecoin. Now remember, most of these altcoins, as soon as they get listed on major exchanges, now they become these tradable assets, and their price doesn't necessarily mean it's gonna go through the spot trading or who's buying, who's holding, and it's gonna be more about derivatives trading. People are gonna be shorting, people are gonna be longing, and they will stop caring about this whole thing and they stop caring literally about fundamentals or what this coin is doing, and people start just trading the charts. And this is what's gonna start happening here with Pepecoin. And as we can see here live, I haven't seen Pepecoin in a negative funding in a long time. Now people are more interested right now to trading Pepecoin on derivatives, as now it looks like it's an easy short, and it's perfect because whenever it looks like an easy short, this is when most people start shorting, and this is what we want for the price to go back higher to squeeze them up. So I hope this, guys, was clear and gives you an idea on what's going on here. You don't forget to leave a like, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. And remember, on FairDesk there is a huge competition right now going on derivatives, up to 1.8 million USDT in rewards, and as well a $400,000 daily bonuses for top traders. If you join in right now, I'll leave you the link in the description. You don't need no KYC, no VPN to join. You as well have a huge bonus on your deposit. And right now here, this competition is pretty much, this is a new exchange. There aren't so many traders, so it makes it pretty much easy to compete here. I'm as well competing on this competition. As you can see here, I'm already participating. And just to let you guys know, I'll leave you the link in the description. Now remember, nothing is financial advice as always. Thank you again for watching this video. Leave me in the comment section what you think, what you're doing with your Pepecoin, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.